Interested in a 2011 Holden Commodore? Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Choosing a car with low kilometres is the right choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.